Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can create flashing effect in Premiere Pro. So firstly go to Premiere Pro. So as you can see, I already have a footage in my timeline. Now what you have to do is just simply take your player head to the very place where you want the flashing effect to start, just like this. Then go to the effects panel over here and search strobe. But before applying effects to anywhere, first go to the project panel and create a new item, which is an adjustment layer. Then just simply press OK. Then drag and drop onto the timeline and place it where you want the flashing effect to start. Then take the player head and go to the place where you want the flashing effect to get over. Then stretch the adjustment layer till that very place. Just simply drag and drop the strobe effect onto the adjustment layer. And just simply click on the adjustment layer over here. Then go to the effects panel. Then just simply change the color of the strobe to black. And for the strobe duration, I will choose 0.07. For the strobe period, I will choose 0.15. You can do experiments with the values over here, but this is the value that I prefer to do in my project. So now if I play this video, there will be a nice flashing effect into the video. So let's play the video then. So as you can see, there is a nice flickering effect in the video. You can also change the color of the strobe or the flickering by just going to the strobe color and change it to white. And now if you play the video, it will be white. But I would prefer black. So if I play this now, it's now black. So that's it, and thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.